This is part 3 of loops. And today we'll be learning about the while loop. It's perfect for situations when you don't know how many times we'll need to repeat something.
Next is the while loop, and we use a while loop when we don't know how many times something will happen. You just keep going as long as the condition is true. How do we write a while loop? We simply write while and then a couple of brackets. Now let's make this interesting. Let's create a public int player health. Let's give it, 10. And inside while, you only need the condition while player health is greater than 0, and then we write 2 brackets, and this is going to be the part of the loop. We can write debug.log player is alive, and like I said, we need to work with memory here, and in this case it's not I, it's actually player health. So we can just say player health minus minus, or to make it interesting, minus equals 2. Now just have a think of how many times this loop would run. If you guessed 5, then you're right, because we aren't subtracting 1, we are subtracting 2. In the beginning, player health is 10 and 10 is greater than 0, which means it will print this. Now we are subtracting 2 from 10 instead of 1. Player health will become 8. 8 is greater than 0, we print it. Player health becomes 6. 6 is greater than 0, we print it. Player health becomes 4. 4 is greater than 0, print. Player health becomes 2. 2 is greater than 0, player is alive. Player health becomes 0. 0 is not greater than 0, which means we will exit this loop. Let's see if it works. And there we go. It prints 5 times. Player is alive. Great. Now, what is the difference between the for loop and the while loop here? We have created a variable, but this variable can be accessed outside of this loop, meaning I can change the variable value to 10 again once the player is dead. And this is the advantage of using the while loop. Typically, while teaching, you should teach the while loop first, but for loop is very simple. It has a very direct syntax, and this is how you do it. Now, instead of this, player health could also be declared here. Int player health equals 10 and a semicolon. Now, what is this? We can declare variables inside, start. Yes, you can. And this is how we are going to be playing with scope. Scope is an important lesson that will come in the future once we learn functions and stuff, and it's important. But I'm just giving you a tease right now. And this is the while loop. We use it when we don't know how many times something may be run. I'm not going to give you even more examples. We're going to learn from experience, okay?
In the next one, we'll talk about the do while loop, and then we'll proceed to a spicy challenge.